Hmm?
Gotta make my stops. Unless it's gonna interfere.
Hello everyone, welcome to another one of our Chilli adventures. This journey found ourselves hitting some more local back roads. We went up after a storm to make sure we got the chili taco good and muddy. So please sit back, relax, grab a nice cup of coffee, and enjoy our back roads exploration to puddles, trees, mud, and good times as we take you with us on another one of our Chilli adventures.
Can you hear the birds?
Whoa! All my tools are jumping around in the back too.
I guess it rained more up here.
Whoa!
What is that?
Mud flats. Just sounds awful.
Like she thinks, oh, something's broken.
Yeah, no, it just sounds horrible. Just watch the truck too. It's gonna be weird coming back up it, because I haven't done that yet.
Oh, literally wrong. Holy cow.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. I almost say I hit that one perfectly. Let people drive it and quad it and all that kind of stuff.
Cool.
Drop that corner down. Oh, that's fresh.
That looks like a whole,
Yeah, that's new.
I feel like splash. Oh, chocolate milk.
We can go through that one. Maybe no problem. So at this point we found some epic camping areas on the river. The water was fast, the view was amazing. Unfortunately though, it needed some maintenance, and by that I mean garbage removal. Being a part of the different off-road groups that I'm in and what it all represents, I decided to start packing garbage bags and cleaning stuff now to help maintain this beautiful planet, one dirt road at a time. Oh, this is skinny. Oh, cool. And over there, there's a bunch of wood up there. People are already camping there. That was cool. Trans-Canada tag on the tree. Okay.
Ah, so we're going over the periodic. This one still make you nervous.
A little bit. Not a ton, but
Now, compared to the first time that I went over that one with you, it looks more like a road now.
yeah.
Whereas back then it looked more small.
Well, the first time I went over it, I was like, oh boy, here we go.
Like, the first time that I went over it with you, the way that it looked was that it looked much smaller than it does now.
Yeah.
Whereas now
It looks like they've widened it actually.
Yeah, like it actually looks drivable.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
It's a thing that people do and they're like, oh, you know, like if you see a child throwing a tantrum, you're like, no. Mom and I were joking about it the other day. Whoa, what? Something like, does anybody know what this is on the projector? And Kiana tried to. Stopped talking and started writing. People, including me, that were in Spanish got scared.
The slogan's on fun.
much smaller a million years ago.
But
Now
it looks
it's
a lot
like,
creepier from here now. Actually, no, it
Really? It
doesn't.
looks
This
safer.
looks easier from here.
Except for this feeling. I don't. I'm all for
Oh, it looks a lot safer. Except for this.
except for those feeling. Nervous stuff. He had to sleep like most of the day. Pretty sure he puked a few times because he made him feel so sick. But like he's okay. But
Yeah.
just that day.
That's what my mom's friends got like that too. This is when I wish I had my axe or a saw. Didn't break any of that. That's a freshly downed tree. Oh. Holy, look at that road, eh?
That's like biking or something.
Yeah. Can't see the name of that one.
American wasn't here yet. Actually, your glasses.
Oh.
What's the sound that a pigeon makes? Yeah.
You did a turkey.
Yeah, we're looking at that website thing that he showed us today. He's like, he's brought up something to do with the pigeon. So I was like, I hate pigeons. Like, me too. Sounds like a turkey that flies.
I'm bought by a company that buys aquariums like that and makes them cool, so we'll see.
It involves like
Renovations, which they were already doing.